So I want to show you the difference that shelter can make. I'm currently out here in the blizzard today. Literal 70-mile-per-hour gusts and lots of snow. And there's downed trees everywhere, but you can barely see anything. But as we walk over here, just towards the tree line, we'll be able to show you how much easier it is to see and be able to get shelter. Yeah, so find a little space like this where you can get down under, and you want to build your little survival shelter in something like this. You're out of the wind and it'll keep you a lot warmer. Find a space to build a fire, and you can kind of ride out the worst part of the blizzard, not get swept away or out there where you can't see.